Welcome back. In Part 8, we defined what strings are. Now, it's time to actually do something with them. Today, we're performing the 5 essential string operations: concatenation, length, comparison, slicing, and searching. Let's jump straight into it. 1. String concatenation. First up, joining strings. In C, we're dealing with raw memory, so we use stricat from the string.h library. We have to ensure our target array has enough memory to hold both strings, or we trigger an overflow. But contrast that with C++, Java, or Python. They use the plus operator. It's cleaner, intuitive, and in higher-level languages, it handles the memory safety for you automatically. String length. Next, finding length. This is a perfect example of language evolution. In C, you need a function, strlen, str. In C++, Java, and Python, the language provides built-in methods. It's street length for the first two, and the len function for Python. C asks you to reach into a library, the others give you the tools right out of the box. String comparison. Comparison is where you really see language philosophy in action. In C, strcmp returns 0 if they match. But watch out for the Java trap. In Java, never use == for strings, that checks if the memory reference is the same, not the content. Always use .equals. Compare that to Python, where == just works naturally. It's the smart choice for high-level scripting. Substring and slicing. Now, cutting text. This is a massive differentiator. C forces you into a manual loop just to grab a few characters. C++ and Java use subster or substring methods. But look at Python. Slicing with str:0:5 is arguably the cleanest syntax in programming. It shows you exactly which index you are grabbing in a single line. Searching. Finally, searching. Whether it's str in C, .find in C++, or contains in Java, the logic is identical. You're scanning for a needle in a haystack. Python's in keyword? It reads just like plain English. The analogy bridge. If you're wondering why the syntax changes so much, think of a string like a sentence in a document editor. In C, you're manually rearranging letter tiles. In Python, you have a high-end word processor that lets you cut, paste, and format with one click. You're performing the same task, just with different levels of automation. Today we navigated the spectrum from manual memory management in C to Python's automated simplicity. If you're enjoying this journey, hit subscribe. See you in the next one.